The real reasons you can't stay consistent. Reason 1. You rely on motivation instead of systems. Motivation feels powerful, but neuroscience shows that it's chemically unstable. It spikes, it drops, it disappears the moment stress, distraction, or fatigue hits. That's why you wake up determined and collapse by lunchtime. Your brain isn't wired to run on motivation. It's wired to run on automatic behaviors. This is exactly why Atomic Habits emphasizes that systems, not motivation, carry you through when your energy fluctuates. Consistency dies the moment you depend on willpower instead of structure. Reason number 2. You haven't controlled friction. Every behavior in your life has a friction. If the habit is high friction, you avoid it. If the temptation is low friction, you repeat it. It's behavioral mechanics. The easier a behavior is to start, the more your brain defaults to it. This is one of the core insights from the book The Power of Habit, along with research from MIT showing how automatic loops form when behaviors are easy to execute. If your phone is next to you, that's low friction. If your workout requires changing clothes, finding your shoes, leaving the house, that's high friction. Of course, your brain chooses the easier path, so consistency is a friction problem, not a discipline problem. Reason number 3, your identity hasn't changed yet. The biggest predictor of consistency is not motivation, plans, or even habits. It's identity. If you see yourself as someone who tries to be productive, you will fail the moment life gets difficult. But when your identity becomes I'm someone who follows through, your brain automatically chooses actions that match that identity. This is exactly what Stanford's mindset research shows. Your brain filters decisions through who believe you are, not what you want to do. If the identity stays the same, the behavior doesn't stick. You don't stay consistent because your identity hasn't caught up with your goals. Now let's talk about 5 methods that actually fix consistency. Method number 1, the 2-minute trigger. Your brain resists large tasks but accepts tiny ones instantly. This is why the 2-minute rule works so well. You shrink the habit to something so small, your brain cannot reject it. Science shows that once you begin, your brain releases dopamine after progress. 2 minutes of reading, 2 minutes of writing, 2 minutes of running. Tiny actions bypass resistance and activate the competence cycle. It's not about finishing the tasks. It's about just getting started. It's about starting small. Method number 2, friction engineering. Your brain repeats whatever is easiest. So, you redesign your environment so the good things require zero friction and the bad things require maximum friction. For example, lay out your workout clothes the night before. Keep your journal on your pillow. Put your phone in another room while you work. The willpower instinct explains this perfectly. Willpower doesn't fail because you're weak. It fails because your environment overwhelms your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that handles self-control and focus. When you reduce friction, consistency becomes automatic. Method number 3, the identity installation loop. Identity drives behavior, and behavior reinforces identity. You install the identity first, then you let the habits catch up. Say it clearly before every habit. I'm someone who follows through. I'm someone who trains even when I don't feel like it. I'm someone who shows up. Then act on it once. One kept promise builds identity. Identity then makes the next action easier. Method number 4, the pre-commitment strategy. Humans stay consistent when the cost of quitting is higher than the cost of doing the work. And this is the foundation of pre-commitment theory in behavioral economics. Tell a friend you'll send proof of your workout. Join a class you paid for. Work at a cafe so leaving early feels not worth it. Schedule study sessions with someone. When you pre-commit, you remove choice, and consistency becomes compliance. Method number 5, the recovery rule. This is the part people ignore. Energy creates consistency, not grind. When you're exhausted, stressed, underslept, your brain shuts down. Low sleep equals low willpower. High stress equals to low self-control. Poor recovery equals to broken routines. So fix your energy before you try to fix your habits. Improve sleep, reduce stimulation, get sunlight, exercise. When your energy rises, consistency becomes the default. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos that help you unlock your potential in your 20s.